Hi, this is Roger from Hitech Circuits Co. Limited. We are based in Shenzhen, China. We have specialized in PCB and PCB assembly manufacturing for over 15 years. Today, I will introduce this green PCBA to you. It is used in compressed air industry. It is two-layer. The size is 178 centimeters long and 119 centimeters wide. The raw material is FR4 TG135, and its surface treatment is hassle lead-free, and outer copper thickness is 1 ounce. Finished thickness is 1.6 millimeters. As you can see, there are many electronic components on the board, especially many green connectors. For this component, we suggested the alternatives made in China to help customers save much cost. If you have any PCB and PCB needs, please feel free to contact me. I will support you with competitive price, high quality, and short lead time. See you.